Many Nigerian companies focus on paying tax, but forget one important obligation, filing annual tax returns.
But I don't get tax to pay now.
Wait, first, are you saying even if I have paid my tax, I must still file?
Exactly. Payment and filing are not the same thing. Filing is how your company officially reports its income, expenses, tax position, and compliance status.
So what is the deadline?
If your company's accounting year ended on 31 December 2025, your company's income tax return is due on 30 June 26.
6 months after year end.
No guesswork.
Good. We still have until 30 June 2026 to file our company's income tax return.
Sir, that may not be our deadline.
Every company files CIT by 30 June.
What do you mean? I thought every company files CIT by 30 June.
That is the common mistake. CIT filing deadline is not the same for every company. It depends on the company year end.
So 30 June is not a fixed deadline? No, sir. Under the Nigeria Tax Taxation 2025, a company that has been in business for more than 18 months must file not later than 6 months after the end of its accounting year. If a company's accounting year ends on 31 December 2025, then its CIT filing line is 30 June 26.
That is why everyone keeps saying June.
Exactly. Many companies use December as their year end, so people assume June applies to everybody.
And if the accounting year ended on 30 September 2025?
The deadline would have been 31 March 26.
That means a company can miss its deadline while thinking June still applies. Yes, and that can be costly. Late filing attracts an administrative penalty of 100,000 naira in the first month.
And 50,000 for every subsequent month the default continues, plus possible interest and other penalties. Then we need to check our accounting year end immediately. Exactly, sir. June is only your deadline if your accounting year ended in December. Noted. From now, we follow our own accounting year end, not the crowd.
Know your year end. Stay compliant.
But my startup did not make profit. We are still spending money. Surely, no profit means no filing?
That is one of the biggest mistakes. A company may have no tax payable and still be required to file its annual return. So even loss-making companies must file.
Yes. Your return shows the tax authority your position. Profit, loss, or no profit, file properly.
Exactly. Silence can become penalty.
My company is dormant. I have not done business with it for years. Why should I file?
Dormant does not mean invisible. If the company still exists, you need to confirm its filing status and make the necessary returns or notifications.
So because I registered it, I cannot just abandon it.
Exactly. Dormant companies should not ignore compliance. Speak to a qualified professional and regularize your records.
So dormant company can still create active penalties?
Correct. Dormant does not mean forgotten by law.
My own company is dormant. It shouldn't need to file, right?
Wrong. Being dormant doesn't automatically remove your filing responsibility. But if tax is zero, what am I filing?
You are filing your company's annual return to show your turnover, expenses, status, and compliance position.
Think of it this way. Zero tax can still require proper reporting. So 0% tax no means 0% responsibility. Exactly. Missing the deadline can cost more than many business owners expect.
How much are we talking about?
Failure to file may attract 100,000 units for the first month of default.
First month?
Yes. And 50,000 for each subsequent month the default continues.
So delay has monthly subscription?
Yes, but this one is not Netflix. You will not enjoy it.
To file properly, don't wait until the last week. Start gathering your documents now. What should companies prepare? Financial statements, tax computation, bank records, invoices, receipts, evidence of tax payments where applicable, and company details.
And make sure the return is reviewed before submission. Rushed filing can lead to mistakes.
So the goal is not just to file. The goal is to file correctly.
Exactly.
Timely filing is not just about avoiding penalties. It protects your company's compliance reputation.
So it helps with tax clearance certificate processing? Yes, where applicable. It can also reduce disputes and enforcement risk.
Investors also ask for compliance documents. Exactly. Structure builds confidence. Compliance makes your company easier to trust.
So filing is part of business credibility.
Correct. Serious companies keep clean records.
So remember, if your company's year end was 31 December 2025, your CIT return deadline is 30 June 2026.
Companies with no profits must file. Active companies must file. Dormant companies should check their filing status.
Small companies should not confuse tax exemption with filing exemption.